Simon here, and we are going to have a run through Help by the Beatles today. This is a great one if you're just starting to learn bar chords. We've got two different types of bar chords, an A minor shape and E minor shape bar chords in the tune. Let's kick it straight off with that intro. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so a few things going on there. We've got a B minor, then we're going to play B by itself, A by itself, then we're going to a G major chord, and then G, F sharp, E7, and then an A7 chord. So strumming wise, I'm going bass, down, up is basically a bar. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Okay, now the electric guitar does something cool there, which is good if you've got a buddy playing with you at the same time. It basically plays 7 and 5 on the A and E strings, and you just walk down. And then you hit an A, you start the song, and we've got 2 bars of A. So an A I generally play like this, though you could do one of those. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. This is C sharp minor. We'll go through it first, just so you can hear. So that's an A major, up, bass, down, C sharp minor. This is an A minor shaped bar chord here at the 4th fret. So I've got 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Then an F sharp minor, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then half a bar of D. You can kind of catch what the band does. So bass, G, and then you start again. A major, C sharp minor, right, just all the way around. And we're going to hit the chorus in a second. Talk about that in a second. Okay, so we've got a B minor. This time we've got 4 bars though. In the intro we only had 2 bars. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4. Open G. G, F sharp, E7, and then an A7. And that basically repeats around the whole same thing again. You get the verse and then the chorus. Then after the second chorus, it has the bit where it goes quiet. You're basically a dropout, and it's like same chords as we had in the verse, and then it kicks back in, right? And then you know, all that sort of stuff. Does a verse again, does a chorus again, and then the second, the last 2 bars of the chorus where it's going, please help me, and then it goes F sharp minor, and then an A, and then it finishes on the A6. You basically your first finger all the way across and include the F sharp on the top. So you play like that, or you could play like, if you can get all your fingers in those frets, but for me that's way easier. And that is the whole song. Who thought it would be that easy? Well, have a go at it, have a practice with those bar chords, and if you have any questions or you need the chart, go to patreon.com/Simon Morrell. I'll see you next time for another video. Ciao. Bye for now.